My dog was scratching himself. Hi guys. I was gonna do a vlog. This isn't working. So, I'm going to work. And that's all I know so far. It keeps falling. Why does it keep doing that? I need to stop this. This is didn't work out. So I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial instead. Because everybody wants that. Alright, so first I have to prime my eyelids. I prime my eyelids with concealer. I used to, actually that's a lie. I love being a liar. I have always primed my eyelids with concealer because I never wanted to spend money on an eyeshadow primer. I'm probably just gonna use this one. The Ring the Alarm palette. This one. So yeah, after you prime your eyelid, I used to set my eyelids, but I don't anymore. I don't know why. Nobody wants to be closer than this, so we're gonna stop it here. I'm gonna go ahead and not tell you what brushes I'm using just because it won't help, you know? Because I only have 2 brushes for eyeshadow. Also, I realize I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore the last video, but keep in mind that was like a week ago, so it's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with Rush. It's like a light orangey toned brown shade, and I'm just gonna go in with that. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, you can. And you're gonna put it in the crease. Then you're just gonna blend that out as much as possible. Ugh, my eyebrows are so weird today. I did them. Okay, so I do my own eyebrows because I used to get them done, but every time I went in, the people were just like, "Oh my god, thank God you came in, like your eyebrows are so bad." Like they literally say that to me. So I was like, that's rude. That's like really rude, first of all, and second, bye. So I stopped going in. I started doing them myself. I think this is as blended out as we're gonna get. I was hoping it'd be lighter, but it's honestly fine. Ew. And then I'm gonna go in with Alert. This one. It's a darker version of that color. I'm just gonna put it right here. And then make sure you usually I just wing it out like that because I do cut creases. But today, I don't know what we're doing today, so we'll see. But just bring it down to here just in case we do like a half cut crease or something. Like that. Alright. Now I'm going to take Mugshot. It's just a brown, like a light brown shade, but with no orangey undertones or whatever. So I'm just going to put that in the crease area, but not as high as the first color that we put in. But building that up and try to get it darker. Like that, I guess. And then I'm going to take Framed. It's like a dark plum color. And then I'm going to put that in the outer corner and make it like make it into like a V. I'm going to try to, I can't. I just ruined it. Yeah, I'm going to put it in the outer corner. Just pack it on right there. Like that. And then you bring it up. And I'm going to bring it up to the crease as well. And then try to drag it out to the lash line. I don't know if you can see the V kind of shaping. Kind of like that. And then I'm gonna, since I messed up, I'm gonna try to fix it by putting the first shade over it. It's probably not gonna fix itself. But it should be fine when we put on lashes because it'll hide it, and lashes hide everything. Mistakes, eyeliner, sadness, everything. That's good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And since I don't know what my eye shape is, but since my eye shape is like weird with my eyelids, when I cut my crease, I have to cut it really high. So I'm gonna bring this darker shade up a little higher just so we can see it when I do cut my crease. Okay. Now, when I cut my crease, I like to put concealer on the back of my hand. I'm pretty sure everybody does that. And then I like to squeeze my brush. Do I want to use this brush? Yeah, I'll use it. I like to squeeze it to make sure it's really precise and thin. I'm gonna start in the corner, the inner corner of my eye where my tear duct is, and press down. And then just try to kind of drag it up from there. Some people put concealer up on the, like, where the lash line is and then look up, but I can't do that because, like, it looks weird. But you can try it. And then I just like to pat it down and blend it out a little bit. I think that's good, right? It's honestly, no one can really teach you how to do a cut crease, like where to put one, because everybody's eye shape is different. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do gold. So I'm gonna take the gold in this palette, the Morphe palette. It's called On Camera. We're done with that. We're not doing that anymore. Yeah, it's called On Camera. I'm just gonna take my finger, my ring finger, because it's the gentlest finger or whatever, I don't even know. And I'm gonna swirl that on and then put it on the inner part of the cut crease. Very carefully. You can use a packing brush, I think, for these kind of colors, but I don't have one. And this finger works fine, so I'm just gonna do that instead. Okay, and then just for funsies, I'm gonna take 24 Karat in the BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette, this one, and I'm gonna put that in the rest of the cut crease. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go back in with the Morphe palette with Framed, the purple plum shade that I put in the outer corner. I'm just gonna take that and put it back in the outer corner just because there was a little bit of gold that got onto it. And then I'm gonna take it over where we put the cut crease just to define that line a little bit. And then I'm gonna add in this Aurora, the BH Cosmetics Aurora palette, I'm gonna go in with a maroon shade that's kind of similar to the one in the outer corner. Then I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe palette. I have a headache. And then go in with the plum shade again and do that over. Now this is really weird. This is a really weird tutorial for me to do because I normally like to wear a bunch of colors. Next thing we're gonna do, this is why I don't do my foundation before eyeshadow, because I am messy and it gets all over my eye, so it would have ruined my makeup. But I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out a little bit. And I think I'm gonna do that with Mugshot. So after you blend that for 10,000 years, you are done, I think. Do I want to put on eyeliner? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna put on eyeliner. Let me just do this eyeliner real quick. Okay, now we're gonna stop touching it because we're just gonna make it worse. It was supposed to be thin, but now it's not, and it's huge, and it's a monster. So, yeah, it's done. So yeah, I'm gonna do the other eye and mascara and lashes, and hopefully those lashes will come through and cover up all of this terribleness. Okay, so I wasn't gonna record. Why am I a liar? It was an eyeshadow tutorial, so I was like, I'm not gonna do my full face on camera because if you want to see my foundation routine or whatever for like the rest of this, you can. I mean, it kind of sucks, but you still can. This is blinding. Let me just, okay, but this is the finished, look. Also, another reason why I didn't film this on camera is because my boss texted me last minute to come in for work, like usual. That's always happens to me, but, so I'm just gonna do that now. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope, somebody tries this out. Yeah, but that's, yeah. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more tutorials, let me know in the comments. I'm probably gonna do them anyways because, just because. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So